What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Money. Want to do a quick video on how we go about finding new coins to mine early on. A lot of the times before they're listed on exchanges and before they're listed on Mining Pool Stats or any other mainstream website. So let's dive in. We're on Mining Pool Stats. This is the most common place to find coins to mine. So when you go to Mining Pool Stats, under all proof of work coins, you're going to find a banner called New Coins. We'll click on that. This is going to list all the new coins that have been listed on Mining Pool Stats. So we got Zephyr, Rebel Coin. We can go down the list. So it'll tell you the name of the coin, the algorithm, the estimated age, which isn't always correct, current pool hash rate, network difficulty. So if we want to click on one, we'll pick Zephyr. We'll click on that. We scroll down, we're going to be able to see a bunch of information about this coin. We're going to be able to see the current mining pools, the pool fees, the 7-day history on hash rate, the current network hash rate, and we can see over here if it's been listed on an exchange or not, or if it's been listed on a small exchange or big exchange. This will show you the difficulty, and if we scroll down, we'll find out more information here, like the website, Discord, their Twitter. So we're going to slip over to their website, and you can look around on their website. There's usually a bunch of information in there, and then it would be highly recommended to click on their Discord, join it, and then you can kind of get an idea how active they are, what kind of announcements there has been recently, what they're working on, how many people are involved in the community. So I've already loaded into that. We can scroll in here and see there's been a few announcements. General chat is kind of busy, but not really. It's got a couple hundred people in here so far. So this coin's brand new and early on. And you can get lots of information in here. Word of note, be very cautious downloading core wallets. Core wallets are not always safe. So if you're going to run a core wallet, I would strongly recommend you do it on a virtual machine that's isolated from all your other stuff. Because you are going to need a wallet to be able to mine some of these coins that we're going to talk about. The next website I like to check out is hashrate.no. If you go into hashrate.no, you can see down at the bottom here, about halfway down the screen, they've got some pretty good information on what coins are gaining, earning, gaining, reward gaining, and then just overall price. We can see like Nex is up 27.95%, some early gainers, and reward gainers. So this would be how many coins you're yielding for your hash rate. If we click on GPUs, we can scan down this list here pretty quick, and it'll give you what GPU and the current highest profit coin. So sometimes I'll just scroll through this until something catches my eye, and then I'll click on it. Like Radiant. If you want to know more about Radiant, you can scroll through. You kind of see what Radiant's earning. Overall, this is a pretty quick way to see what coins are currently the most profitable on your graphic card, and to try to look into what coins you should be taking a deep dive into and learning more about. The third place I like to look is YouTube. YouTube's a pretty good place to find information about coins, how to mine them, and new coins. The one thing to remember about YouTube is often by the time you're seeing it on YouTube, the coins are on an exchange or they've got a pretty high hash rate. Not a lot of people talk about new coins publicly until they've mined themselves a bag of them. But it is a good spot to search new mining coins, see what other people are mining, what kind of equipment they're using, what kind of overclocks, and what they're doing with the wallets, or if they're mining to an exchange, or what that looks like. The last website I use to find new coins is bitcointalk.org. And if you go onto Bitcoin Talk, you're going to find they have a forum for altcoin announcements. Now, this is usually the earliest place where people announce new proof of work and new proof of stake coins, etc. So if you scroll through the forums, you can find lots of information. So if we scroll through here, we're going to find this is the original proof of work announcement for Zephyr. So if we click on that, it was posted May 29th. It'll go through the mechanisms, the specifications, the features. Most of the time it'll have a roadmap, funding, sustainability, mining. It just gives an overall view of what the coin's about. Most of the time they'll have a link to a wallet. Again, with these core wallets, be very careful. I would strongly recommend using a virtual machine if you're going to download wallets, especially early on. And when you're going through this, you're going to want to spend some time seeing what other people's experiences are with the coins. And again, I always recommend join their Discord, go on their website, find out as much as you possibly can about the coin before you start mining it. Some of these coins that are posted early did really good, like Caspa, for instance. Some of them end up being rug pulls. Some of them pump early and you can make some money, get a bag early on and make some money off them. But this is my favorite spot to find proof of work coins early. So I figured I'd take a quick sec. I'll take you over to my farm and I'll let everybody know what I'm currently mining. So currently I'm mining one rig on Caspa, 3.8 gigahash on Caspa, and I've currently got 379 gigahash on Iron. I don't typically move around too much. Sometimes if I see a coin that really interests me, I'll mine it for a little bit and try to get a bunch while the hash rate's still low. One example would be Game Pass. I mined 11,000 Game Pass pretty early on. But for the most part, once I find a coin that I like, I keep mining it. So originally I was mining all Caspa, and then I switched over to some Caspa and some Iron to try to collect both. Anyways, guys, hopefully this video helped, gave everybody some good information. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and we'll see you at the next video. Thanks.